Let's level up our nacho game. We can always put together some cheese, some chips, some meat. When you level up one of those ingredients or all of those ingredients, your nachos are 100 times better. So let's walk through this recipe. You know, this is perfect for Taco Tuesday, perfect for Fiesta Friday, perfect for if you just want some fucking nachos. Like, it ain't gotta be a special day. You just gotta be hungry. Let's make these nachos. I'm gonna make a fresh Pico de Gallo. I'm gonna prep an onion. So I'm just gonna use about half of this red onion, and I'm gonna use my slicer. It's not quite a mandolin, but it's a slicer, and I'm gonna slice it up into really small pieces because I want the onion to kind of get pickled in the lemon juice and the salt a little bit, and it'll do that quicker if they're a bit smaller. Plus, I just don't like onion raw all like that, so yeah, it's my choice. Let's take care of these tomatoes. So, quarter these tomatoes. I just want the nice skin of the tomatoes. I don't want to make my nachos soggy, so I'm just getting rid of kind of all the seeds. All right, so you just get the flesh, the meat, if you will. I'm gonna cut up a couple of serranos and dice those. All right, you know what? And I'm gonna put a fucking glove on. So I'm just gonna slice these in half. A little heat, but not too much. So I'm just gonna try to remove the majority of the seed. Just gonna slice these in strips because I want them small. Again, not trying to get a big ass bite of pepper, right? We'll prep this garlic. So I'm just gonna mince this garlic really fine. All right, I pretty much just wanna make it a paste. Take the cloves, my knife, and just smash this garlic. And then I'm gonna run my knife back and forth until it's kind of pasty. So now we're gonna mix our Pico de Gallo. We have our onions. Gonna add the tomato. Gonna add the serrano. Gonna add garlic. Yeah, get a good look at this. Let's finish it with a little cilantro. I usually try to tear my herbs. Or lime juice. Just a tad. Let's mix it all together. Oh, this is perfect. You can use any kind of cheese you want for the sauce. I'm using a combination of Monterey Jack and Mexican cheese, which is called Oaxaca cheese. It's like a really melty cheese, often used for quesadillas and sometimes burritos. So I think we have about 2 cups of cheese here. Nice and mixed up. We'll move over to the stove. So what we're gonna do is make a traditional roux, right? So a little fat, flour, let's mix that together. I'm gonna use a little butter, a little flour, a little evaporated milk, cheese. I'm gonna use a can of green chilies, just a little salt, bring out the flavors. So I'm gonna add a pinch of chili pepper, just add a little depth, pinch of cumin, just gonna add a little bit more flavor. I'm gonna set this aside, keep that on warm just so it doesn't congeal. All right, let's get this chorizo going. Nice smoking hot pan. I'm just gonna break my chorizo out of its casing. And you can find chorizo in most grocery stores. I found mine from this little butcher shop that makes fresh sausage. Beautiful color from spices. Let's plate our nachos. So let's start with a nice bed of chips. Put a nice base of cheese. A little chorizo. Gonna hit it with some more chips. Hit it with some more cheese. Gonna hit it with a little bit more chorizo. Try the salsa fresca. A little sour cream. Black olives. Pickled jalapenos, just a few. A little torn cilantro. Some avocado chunks. Just a little more chorizo. A little cheese. Tell me you don't want to rock these. Let's take a bite of these nachos. These are pretty good. These are pretty sinful. I can't wait to chow down. What? This takes a little time and effort, but these nachos are 10 times better than the nachos you know, you'd buy out somewhere nachos you get at the game. So don't even do that to yourself. I'm just saying, you have more control when you cook it yourself and you learn the flavors that you like and the ratios and the consistency. You can have so much more fun with that. Look, if you like this recipe, why don't you chop it up with me in the comments? Let me know how you like to rock your nachos. So subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, eat something good, feed your soul. Ciao.